All right, let's take a live look at the big board on Wall Street. Let's begin there. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is, boy, I can't see those numbers. They're so tiny. Anyway, there. It's up today. It's a banner day. I have my numbers here at 352 for the Dow, S&P 500, and the NASDAQ also big time in positive territory. There you go, up 358 to be precise. All right, so everything's pretty good here on this Healthy, Wealthy, and Wise Monday. To tell us if it's time, though, to take some action is Jack Lansing from UBS Financial Services. Jack, good morning. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me back.
Now, the last time you were here, we were talking about tech stocks. Should people be buying tech stocks these days?
Yeah, I think we should talk that through a little bit more.
Because they had bottomed out somewhat.
Well, we've seen there was quite a sell-off in the tech sector. And a point I want to get across to our viewers is tech stocks are more than just smartphones. There's a lot of other things that are a part of that component. We tend to get focused on that part, but roughly 2/3 of what goes on there is contracts with government, big businesses, corporations, and we think we're seeing a big increase in spending in that area. So I think the prices are a little overdone here. Again, we're neutral on the sector, but there's probably some opportunities to get in there.
All right. Well, you know, it is a worldwide economy. Are we in for an all-out trade war with China?
That story continues to unfold. We are in the and also some of what's seeing in tech is a concern about the tariffs that are happening over there. We are cautiously optimistic that, like NAFTA, there will be some resolution. They'll be able to come to some sort of trade agreement with China. So that's where we are right now on that topic.
All right. Well, we see the graphic there: tech, oil, and the stock market. So let's get to oil. What should we look for in terms of oil prices? I mean, the price of gasoline has gone down significantly.
Price of gasoline comes down, good for the consumer. Oil does tie into the S&P though, so we're thinking. I think the Brent market's back over $60 a barrel. Our outlook is between 6 and 12 months. $80, $85 a barrel. So we see a lot of upside in oil from here. We think the cause is mainly just concern about global slowdown that has caused this to happen. We see that changing. All
right. Well, the stock market has taken a pretty big hit over the past few weeks. November was not a good month. So is it the end of the bull market?
No, as I said last time, we think this is a correction within an ongoing market. We see nothing but strong signals for the economy going out a year and a half from now. So I think what would I do as an investor right now? It's a good time to come in, maybe do some tax loss selling, do some rebalancing, but don't just sell and sit in cash. You need to replace things because if you miss big days on the upside, it can really ruin your returns.
Boy, isn't that the truth?
Yeah.
And if you have a long-term horizon before you retire, you need to stay in stocks.
Exactly. We've said this before. Most people are looking to 25, 30 years from now for the portfolio, so don't get caught up in these choppy markets.
All right, maybe do a little reshuffling before the end of the year, as
Correct.
you said. Okay, great. All right, well, Jack, that's good news, and hopefully it's onward and upward today.
Well, thanks for giving me a second chance, John. I do appreciate it.
That's right. Last time it was not a good day. Anyway, thanks again, and we'll see you soon.